Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring modern garden landscaping ideas for 2025. Whether you have a small yard or a large garden, these creative ideas will help you design a space that feels stylish, relaxing, and close to nature. So let's get started. Large yard ideas. For those lucky enough to have a large garden, you can get more creative. Zoned areas divide the garden into sections: a dining area, a play area, and a relaxation corner. Water features. A modern fountain, pond, or even a small waterfall can add peace and beauty. Modern pathways. Use stone slabs, gravel, or concrete tiles to create clean, stylish walkways. Outdoor kitchen or fire pit, perfect for family nights or parties with friends. Native plants and trees. Planting local species saves water and keeps your garden eco-friendly. Small yard ideas. If you have a small yard, don't worry. Modern landscaping makes it look big and stylish. Vertical gardens. Use wall planters or green walls to save space and add fresh greenery. Minimalist furniture. Choose small, modern benches or foldable chairs. Keep it simple. Potted plants. Mix different pot sizes and modern containers to create a stylish look. Smart lighting. Solar-powered lights or LED strips can highlight pathways and give your small yard a cozy glow. Multi-use spaces. Add a corner deck where you can both relax and host small gatherings. Color and style in 2025. Modern gardens in 2025 use a mix of natural colors, greens, browns, and soft whites, with bold accents like black planters or sleek furniture. The goal is to create a garden that feels modern but still natural. Final tip: use low-maintenance plants like succulents, lavender, or ornamental grasses. Choose eco-friendly materials like recycled wood, bamboo, or stone. Don't overcrowd your space. Modern design is all about keeping things clean and simple.